Welcome to Module 3. In this module, we're going to take the next important step by learning how to bring leads into ClientForce and let your AI sales agent begin working for you. Up to this point, we've focused on setting up the system and understanding the core tools. Now it's time to start feeding the platform with real prospects so your campaigns can begin running effectively. In this lesson, you'll learn some powerful ways to get leads into your account. First, we'll cover how to import leads using a CSV file, which is perfect if you already have an existing list of contacts. Then, we'll look at how to import leads directly from LinkedIn, allowing you to capture highly targeted professional prospects and add them straight into your outreach pipeline. I'll walk you through these methods step by step, showing you exactly how to add your leads, organize them properly, and prepare them for AI-powered engagement. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to quickly populate your system with qualified prospects and let ClientForce begin automating conversations, follow-ups, and outreach for you. So let's get started. In this section, we're going to learn how to bring leads into ClientForce so the system can begin working with them. First, we'll learn how to import leads using a CSV file. But before we do that, it's important to quickly understand what a CSV file is and why it's commonly used for importing contact data. A CSV file, which stands for comma-separated values, is simply a file that stores information in a table format. Think of it like a spreadsheet where each row represents a lead, and each column contains specific information about that lead, such as their name, email address, company, or phone number. CSV files are one of the most widely accepted formats for uploading data into software platforms, especially tools that manage contacts, marketing, or automation. And there are several reasons why CSV files are so widely used. First, they are very easy to create. You can create a CSV file using tools you already know, such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or even a simple text editor. Second, CSV files work with almost every platform. Most systems support CSV imports, including CRM platforms, marketing automation tools, email marketing systems, data analysis tools, and databases. This makes CSV files the universal format for transferring contact data between systems. Another big advantage is that CSV files are lightweight and fast. Because they only contain simple text data, the files are small in size, which means they upload quickly and process much faster compared to other formats. But perhaps the biggest benefit is that CSV files are perfect for bulk uploads. Instead of adding contacts one by one, you can upload hundreds or even thousands of leads at once. This makes CSV files ideal for importing things like contact lists, lead databases, customer records, or prospect lists. So, in simple terms, a CSV file allows you to organize large amounts of lead data in a format that platforms like ClientForce can easily read and process. And once those leads are inside your system, you can begin organizing them into lists and letting the AI sales agent start engaging with those prospects automatically. Now that you understand what a CSV file is and why it's useful, let's walk through how you can quickly create one if you don't already have a list ready. First, go ahead and open Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, the first thing we want to do is create column headers. These headers define the type of information each column will contain. For example, you might create headers like name, email, phone, company. Each column represents a specific piece of information about your lead. Next, begin entering your lead data directly below these headers. Under the name column, go on and input the lead's name. For example, John Doe. Under email, you could enter John's email. Under phone, add the lead's phone number, and under company, input the company's name. Then move to the next row and repeat the process. You'll continue this process, adding each new lead on a new row until your list of contacts is fully compiled. Once your list is complete, the next step is to save the file in CSV format. To do that, click on File in the top menu. Then select Save As. When the Save window appears, you'll see a field labeled File Type. Click on that drop-down and choose CSV, comma delimited.csv. Then simply click Save. And that's it. You now have a CSV file containing your lead list ready to upload into ClientForce or any other platform that accepts CSV imports. Next, we'll walk through how to import this CSV file into ClientForce so the system can begin working with your leads automatically. Now that we have compiled our CSV file, let's go ahead and import it into ClientForce so the system can begin organizing and preparing those leads for your outreach campaigns. And the good news is, this part is actually very simple. To do this, start from your ClientForce dashboard. From the top navigation menu, go ahead and locate the Contacts section and click on it. Once you're inside the Contacts page, move to the top of the screen and select the large button that says Add New. When you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear with several options. From the available options, select Import CSV File. Next, locate the CSV file you created earlier on your computer and upload it into the system. Once the file is uploaded, the next step is to map your CSV fields to the ClientForce contact fields. This simply means matching the information in your file with the correct fields in the platform. For example, should map to email. First name should map to first name, phone should map to phone number, and so on. This step helps ClientForce correctly understand and organize the information from your CSV file. Once you're done mapping your fields, click Continue to move to the Review page. Here, you'll have the option to either add the contacts to an existing list or create a brand new list for this group of leads. After selecting your preferred list, simply click Import, and just like that, your contacts are successfully uploaded. You'll now see your imported leads appear inside your contacts list, ready to be organized, included in campaigns, and engaged automatically by the ClientForce system.